Welcome back to Dad's Expensive Hobbies, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. Today we've got something special from Jada's Pink Slip series, the legendary Porsche Carrera GT, scaled down in stunning 124 detail. Right here in the box, you can already see that bright blue finish jumping out at you. The packaging does a great job of showcasing the sleek side profile, and the Pink Slips branding adds that extra touch of attitude. Even before opening it, you can tell this one is going to be a head-turner. Now, out of the box and up on the turntable, just look at those smooth lines. The Carrera GT is famous for its exotic design, and Jada nailed it here. The lowered stance really gives it that street performance vibe. Check out those 5-spoke wheels with red center locks and drilled brake rotors behind them, plus those bright yellow calipers. That contrast just screams performance. Taking a closer look inside, you've got a clean black and brown interior. The brown seats pop nicely against the black dash and door panels. Even in this scale, you can see the sculpting on the seats and console, little touches that make a huge difference for collectors. Moving to the back, the Carrera GT badging is right where it should be, and those mesh engine covers really set it off. The detail on the rear deck is impressive for a die-cast model, and that subtle spoiler line is a nice touch. You can almost imagine the V10 beast that sits in the real car. Swinging back around to the front, you've got the Porsche crest proudly displayed, and those dual racing stripes give it that extra bit of aggression. The headlights are clear and sharp, and the front splitter sits low, just like you'd expect from a Carrera GT. So whether you're a die-hard Porsche fan, a Jada Pink Slips collector, or just love exotic rides in scale, this 124 Carrera GT is definitely a piece worth adding to your collection. That's all we have for today, but next time here on the channel, we'll be showing this 2023 Nissan Z from Jada's Pink Slips. So until next time, keep die casting and God bless.